guys, welcome back to our video. Today we're playing another game. It's KSR Racing. I've been playing this for a long time now, but we cannot defeat the crew leader. We can't upgrade our car anymore. So if you we're soon in World Tour. Yeah, okay. Tier 5, so hard. I'll go. Maybe I'll win. Don't you know? You always have luck. He's very hard to defeat. You need to do everything perfect. And I'm not good at this game. What the? Defeated him in camera. My dad's not gonna believe this. Oh my goodness. Can you believe this guy? Papa Piz is down. She is down. He is down, or she. He is down. He is down, definitely. Defeated them all. I didn't defeat them all. Who are you? Oh, Nitro. Sure. I'm not reading. Oh no. Did it. I want a Lamborghini. Don't you know, guys? Because now we're in World Tour. I could unveil puppies. Oh man. Come on. Come on. No, I'm not gonna buy them. Miss out. No, miss out. Race anyway. What car? Why am I racing versus him? He was defeated. Don't make me go sad. Oh no! Tell me he's a better car. Can't do it. Oh man. Who cares anyway? At least we are on World Tour. Okay, shut up. You like talking, don't you? UK, Europe. I should try and get this car. The crew. The crew. Ooh. Okay, I want to know them after. Oh yeah, I don't have any cars. Forgot. I need to buy him a new car. Yeah. So many. Car dealer. World Tour. Oh, I go race for them. Now I remember. Try and get this. I'll try and get the Bugatti. The Bugatti. The Bugatti. Hey, Luca. Okay. I'm not talking that much. I don't have any cars. I told you. Oh. I need to have every type of car. What's that car? I don't understand it, guys. Do this race again. Lost. They just lost. Oh my goodness. No. How am I going to get a car? A Veyron? Any car? Let me tap on him. Bugatti Veyron. If I race versus you, you give me a Bugatti. Oh, test drive. Oh, I need to go in the workshop. What is this car? It's so cool. So fast. Oh yeah, I won. I won. I won. I really won. Yeah, I get the car. Just asking. Oh. Tier 1 car requested? Why? Oh yeah, pop-up is the tier 1. Let me, no, not car dealer. Need to go my cars. Which car would I choose of tier 1? Choose this. It's the most upgraded. I think. See. Stage 5, stage 5. No, everything's fitted. I guess. No. No. Oh, I was already in Italy. Get that car. Pierce. Go with this. Payback? I'm gonna pay back him. He'll give me money. Ooh. Have you ever seen slow cars? I thought this was fast at the time I played it, but no, it's so slow. How is Papa is going to beat me? What do you want? Gonna try this and end the video. Is this a Lamborghini? Well, I always wanted to try this car. Hope I win. How am I going to win? Win Lamborghini. No, I lost. What my? So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye.